Well, as I tell most founders, that my view is that, you have, two or three really important jobs. That's keeping the company funded, that's building the team, and it's, making sure that you're executing on your plan, or if you're not, you're communicating to your board and your shareholders, the pivot or the changes to the plan. So as far as financing risk, look, we've just lived through the first 12 months of a global pandemic that really no one saw coming. And when you see revenue dropping precipitously in March or April of 2020, not going to zero, but maybe not in it, none of the categories we've invested in, knock on wood. But you know financing risk is always there. No one has a crystal ball, and we recognize that founders, their product development is going to take longer. Product launches are going to take longer. They're going to have supply chain issues, and I think that you just need, that this is where the diligence on the team comes through. That they need to first of all be open to the idea and the mandate that they have to keep the company financed, and they have to be nimble and quick to figure out a hiccup when it arises. And look, I think this pandemic has separated, sort of that founder cohort of who's been able to pivot and figure out, how we extend the runway. And we've done a lot of investing offensively and defensively over the last 12 months to help mitigate some of that financing risk that frankly none of us underwrote when we made these initial investments.